Hey, it's Dave. LDJT asked me what kind of exercise would work for remyelination. Lifting weights is one of the best ways to ignite remyelination by keeping our myelin safe and protecting our neurons as they fire. It counteracts the negative impact that multiple sclerosis is causing to our central nervous system. But why weightlifting? I mean, can it be any type of exercise? In my opinion, not really. There is a definite adaptation that your body needs to go through, true. But saying that walking is the same as lifting weights is flat out wrong. Changes in the nervous system happen in both the central and peripheral nervous systems. Activity in the motor cortex of the brain, that's the area responsible for controlling and executing movement, increases in anaerobic training, which is weightlifting. Okay, I'm gonna get into the weeds a little bit. Weightlifting leads to increased recruitment of motor unit tract along the spinal cord, causing the motor units to fire more frequently. This rapid nerve firing of the motor nerves to the muscle fibers leads to muscle hypertrophy and increased spindle sensitivity. Both of these adaptations improve muscular strength and power. But when it comes to our multiple sclerosis, I believe lifting heavy weights is the best way to generate action potentials along our nerves. The evidence is obvious. You might be able to walk all day long, but you might not be able to even come close to lifting 100 pounds. The action potentials that are generated by the muscles that then travel into the brain achieve our ultimate goal, myelination. I know the struggle. I've lived through it, and I've conquered it. And I never gave up. And you can do it. Believe in you. Wherever you begin, any form of exercise changes the structure of the brain. Studies in both animals and people have shown that physical activity generally increases brain volume and can reduce the number and size of age-related holes in the brain's white matter and gray matter. And with MS, we have many more of those kind of holes. Exercise also, and perhaps more meaningfully, augments adult neurogenesis, which is the creation of new brain cells in an already mature brain. Talking about the different exercises, I read an article. It was about a study that was conducted using rats. The weight-trained rats showed robust levels of neurogenesis. Their hippocampal tissue teemed with new neurons, far more than the brains of sedentary animals. It's hard. I know how uncomfortable it feels when you start. But I believe in you. I believe in everyone with MS. Leave a comment and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.